Good morning, 7th class students. Welcome to Shrestha Vidya Bhavan online classes. So today we shall discuss about 7th class first chapter, reading map of different kinds. What? Reading map of different kinds. Okay, so this is 7th class first chapter social. Okay, 7th class social studies first chapter, reading maps of different kinds. Okay, so in the class 6th you learned about to measure distant places with the help of scale. Okay, in the 6th class you use the scale. What? Scale. In the class 6th you learned about to measure distances between places with the help of scale. So you also learned the use of scale in a map. So how the scale is used in a map, this one also you learned in the 6th class. Okay, so in scale 1 centimeter is equal to 200 kilometer. So here scale 1 centimeter is equal to how many kilometers? 200 kilometers. Okay. So on the map we can't see the kilometers. That's why we use the scale on the map. Okay. So in the scale 1 centimeter is equal to how many kilometers? 200 kilometers. There are so many types of maps are there. Okay. So the maps are different kinds. Okay. So they are, first one is political map. Second one is physical map. Okay, first one is political map. Second one is physical map. Third one is climate map. So these are the different kinds of maps. Okay, we use. Okay, so they are the political map, physical map, and climatic map. So here map is nothing but, so here the map is nothing but, so map is a clear picture. So map is a what? So map is a clear picture, okay, of land, physical features, okay, like mountains, plateaus, plains. So these are the clear picture. So if you use the map, then we can see the clear picture of mountains, clear picture of the plateaus, and clear picture of the plains. So with the help of maps, we can know about the mountains, where the Himalaya mountain range is there, where the Vindhya mountain range is there, where the Aravalli mountain range is there, and where the plateaus, Deccan Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau, okay, and the different kinds of plains, Krishna Godavari plains, all these are, we know the use of map. So here the map is nothing but the clear picture of mountains, plateaus, and plains. So in the class 6 you also learned about the directions of the map. In the 6th class, you also learned about the directions of the map. So generally, in the map, we have 4 directions. How many directions? 4 directions. Okay. So generally, the maps have how many directions? 4 directions. They are what? north direction, south direction, east direction, and west directions. So generally we have 4 directions. So these are the main directions: north, south, east, and west. So these are the main directions. So apart from that, there are again 4 sub directions are there. So these are the 4 main directions. Apart from that, okay, again 4 sub directions. What are they? So these are called sub directions: northeast, southeast, southwest, okay, and the northwest. So these are called sub directions. 4 main directions and 4 sub directions in any map. If you go to world map, if you go to Andhra Pradesh map, so if you go to any map, so these are the directions. Okay, 4 main directions and 4 sub directions. So in this way, we can locate the places with the help of these directions. So with the help of these directions, we can locate the places. Okay. So this is all about the directions. Okay. So once again I am repeating. In class 6, you learnt about to measure distances between places with the help of scale. In the 6th class, you already learnt about the scale. The scale is used, okay, to measure the distance between the places, okay, with the help of scale. You also learnt the use of scale in a map. So in a map, how to use the scale. This one also you already learnt in the 6th class. So there are so many types of maps are there. So maps are so many types. Okay, they are political map, physical map, climatic maps. So these are the different kinds of maps. So here the map is nothing but the clear picture. What? The clear picture of the land, like physical features like mountains, hills, plateaus, plains. Okay, mountains, plateaus, plains, hills also. So these are the clear picture we know with the help of map. Okay, so in the class 6, you also learned about the directions on the map. So generally in the map there are 4 directions, 4 main directions and 4 sub directions. So these are the main directions. Okay, and 4 sub directions: north, south, east, west. So these are the main directions, and sub directions: northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. So these are the sub directions. So in this way, we can locate the places with the help of these directions. Okay, so this is all about the scale, maps, okay, and clear picture, directions, and sub directions. Okay, all of you clear? Okay, so next we go to another topic: symbols. What? Symbols. How these symbols are used on the map. Okay, so that one we have to discuss. So next topic is symbols. Okay, so in the map we also use the symbols. Okay, so here the symbols are nothing but point, line, area. So here symbols is what? Point. Line. Okay, point, line, and area. So this is the example of area, playground area. Okay, so in the map we use the symbols. So here symbols are nothing but point, line, and area. we use symbols to show any physical object on the map. So on the map, we have to locate any physical object on the map. It may be a world map, it may be a India map, or it may be a Andhra Pradesh map. Okay, so any map we use the object. What? Object. Okay. So example, the point symbol. So this is the point symbol. Okay. If you locate the any place in the map of India, example Delhi. So you have to put the point symbol on the map point. Okay. The river symbol. So this is the river symbol. Okay. So in the map pointing, for example, locate the river Godavari. So you have to symbol like this. So this is the river symbol. Okay. So this is the symbol of area. Example, this is the playground. Okay. So this is the symbol of area symbol. Okay. So in this way, we have to point out the symbols on the map. Okay. Point, line, and area of playground. Okay, so these are the symbols we are using. So in this way, we use the symbols on the map, and at the same time, we also use the colors also. In the map, we use what? Color. Okay, so for example, in the map some colors are there. Okay, first green color. Which color? Green color. Blue color. White color. So all these colors we use on the map. Okay. So green color shows the forest. Green color shows the forest on the map. Blue color shows the sea and ocean. Sea and ocean. And white colors shows minerals. So these are the different colors we use on the map. Okay, green color shows the forest area. Blue color shows the sea and ocean. White color shows the minerals. Okay, on the map different kinds of minerals are there. Okay, that minerals shows the white color. Okay, so this is all about the symbols. Okay, so once again I am repeating. So here symbols are nothing but point, line, and area. Okay, so we use symbols to show any physical object on the map. So any physical object we can show on the map. Okay, so what are the physical objects? Points. Point symbol is particular place. Example, Delhi. So this is the river symbol, line symbol. Okay, example, river Godavari, river Krishna. We have to point like this. Okay, and this is the symbol of area, playground area. So this is the symbol. Okay, and railway line symbol. So this is the railway line symbol. Okay, so these are the symbols we can show on the map. Okay, so like the symbols, we also use the color on the map. Okay, so the green color, blue color, white color. Okay, so on the map, green color shows the forest area, the blue color shows sea and ocean, the white color shows minerals. Okay, so this is all about the symbols and color on the map. So in this way, we have to use the symbols and we have to use the color. Okay, all of you clear? And next topic is physical maps. What? Physical maps. Okay. So you will find some maps in your atlas called physical maps. So if you go to atlas, okay, your school atlas is there. If you go to the school atlas, then you can find the different kinds of physical maps. So in these maps, you will usually find different parts of the land, colored in green, yellow, and brown color. So in these maps, okay, so the different colors are there. So the different colors are green color, yellow color, brown color. So if you go to thoroughly your textbooks, then you can see the colors. Okay, so they show the variety of landforms like plains, mountains, and plateaus. So in the physical maps, okay, we can find out the mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers. So all these are we can see only in the physical map only. If we use the physical map, then we can know about the mountains, we can know about the plateaus, we can know about the plains, and we can know about the plateaus and rivers also. Okay, so they also depict the heights of the places also. So these are the depicts the heights, mountains, how much height, plateaus, what is their heights, okay, plains. So in this way we can know about the heights of the mountain, heights of the plateaus, okay, plains, generally level surface. All these are we know about the heights. They also depict the heights of the place also. So these maps has to show all places without hiding them. So all places we can see with the help of physical maps with the heights. Okay, so this is all about the physical map. All of you clear? So once again I am repeating. You will find some maps in your atlas called physical maps. So if you go to school atlas, okay, so in the school atlas, okay, you got the physical maps. Okay, so in these maps you will usually find different parts of land colored in which color? Green color, yellow color, and brown color. So if you go to thoroughly your textbook, then you can see the different colors. Okay, so the colors are green color, yellow color, and brown color. Okay, so with the help of the physical maps, okay, we can find out or we can see the different kinds of mountains, the different kinds of plateaus, the different kinds of plains, and different kinds of rivers. Okay, with the height. Okay, so these maps has to show all places without hiding them with the height. Okay, so this is all about the physical maps. What? Physical maps. Okay, and next topic is measuring height and light. Next topic is measuring height and land. Okay. So all heights on the land are calculated from the sea level. So the heights are calculated from the sea level, that is called MSL. So MSL is nothing but the mean sea level. Okay, so all the heights are calculated from the MSL. So MSL is nothing but the mean sea level. All seas in the world are connected to each other. So if you go to the map, we have 5 oceans, okay, and all the oceans are connected to each other. Okay, so we have 5 oceans and 7 continents. So all the oceans are connected to each other. The sea level all over the world is taken to the roughly the same. So that's why all the sea levels we can take roughly the same. Okay, so that is mean sea level. So here you can see the picture that Nimapur village in your textbook. So if you go to your textbook, then we can see the Nimapur village. So the Nimapur village height is how much? So take the example here. Okay, so these are the water bodies. So this is one height. This is the different kinds of heights on the land. Okay, so this is the MSL, 0 meters, mean sea level. 0 meters, mean sea level, and this one is 50 meter height. Okay. Village. Okay. So this is the Nimapur village. From the mean sea level, how much height? 50 meters height. Okay. Next one is 100 meter heights. So this one is temple. What? This is the symbol of temple. This is how much height? 100 meter height. Okay, and the mountain height is how much? 150 meter height. So these are the different heights on the land. Okay, mean sea level 0 meter height, Nimapur village 50 meter heights, temple 100 meter heights, and the mountain is 150 meter heights from the mean sea level. So this is all about the measuring height on land. Okay, all of you clear? So listen once again I am repeating. All the heights on land are calculated from the mean sea level. So all the heights will be calculated from the MSL, that is called mean sea level. All seas in the world are connected to each other. So I have already told you, okay, all the seas in the world, they are interconnected to each other. The sea level all over the world is taken to the roughly the same. So all the sea level in the world, if you taken, all the sea levels are equal. Okay, so roughly the same. So here we can see the picture that Nimapur village. So here the land. Okay, this is the example given. Okay, so this is the 0 meter height. That means mean sea level. From sea level to Nimapur village, how much height? 50 meter height. Okay, so this is the temple. This is 100 meter heights. Okay, and this is the mountain. So this is 150 meter height from the mean sea level. So in this way, we have to measure the heights on the land. Okay, so this is all about the measuring height on land. Okay, so next topic is contour lines. Next topic. Okay, contour lines. So contour lines are usually drawn at first at a fixed intervals. So these are the fixed intervals. Okay, so the contour lines are drawn at a fixed intervals of height such as 50 meter heights, 100 meter heights, and 150 meters height. Okay, in a fixed intervals, okay, we have to draw the contour lines. Okay, so on the map on Nimapur, you see that there is a line passing through the village, the 50 meter heights. So this is the Nimapur village. One line is passing. Okay, so this is the Nimapur village. One line is passing. The height is how much? 50 meter heights from the mean sea level. Okay, So the distance between two contour lines, okay, will depend upon the landscape. So the lines will depend on the landscape. Okay, the contour lines will be depend on landscape. Okay, so the distance between two contour lines will be depend upon the landscape. It gives an indicator of the slope of the land elevation of the sea level. So this will be give the elevation. Okay, the height or elevation. So these are clearly indicate the elevation. So here elevation is nothing but the height. So here the elevation is nothing but we can show the height. Okay. So this is all about the contour lines. All of you clear? So once again I am repeating. So contour lines. So contour lines usually drawn at first intervals of height, such as 50 meters height, 100 meter height, and 150 meter height. And this is the 0 meter height, that is mean sea level. So if you go to the Nimapur village, okay, so the Nimapur village height is 50 meter height. Okay, so there is a line passing through the Nimapur village. Okay, so that is the 50 meter height. So the distance between two contour lines will be depend upon the landscape. Okay, so the lines will be depend on the landscape. So these are the landscapes. So here the landscapes is nothing but the heights. Okay, or the elevations. Okay, it gives and indications of the slope of the land, elevation of the sea level. So this is clearly indicates the elevation or the slope of the land. What? Slope of the land. Okay. So this is all about the contour lines. Okay. And our next topic is uses of maps showing heights. Okay. Next topic is uses of maps. Okay, showing heights. Okay, so these maps help us to understand the nature of the terrain. Okay, where the mountains are, where the valleys are, and where the plateaus are. So the uses of maps, these maps, okay, these are very much helpful to us to show about the terrain. So what is the terrain? So we can find out where the mountains are, we can find out where the valleys are, we can find out where the plateaus are. Okay, so maps are showing height are very essential. So that's why the maps are showing the heights. So these heights are very essential in the map. Okay. So with the help of maps, okay, we can know about where the roads are constructed, where the dams will be constructed, and how much land will be submerged with the construction of dams. Okay. And water also. Okay, so all these things we can know about the uses of maps. Okay, so in this way maps are useful to showing heights. Okay, so in this way the maps are showing the heights. Okay, all of you clear? So once again I repeat it. Uses of maps showing heights. So the maps are help us to understand the nature of the terrain. Okay, the nature of the terrain, where the mountains are, where the valleys are, okay, and where the plateaus are. So maps showing height are very essential. So the maps showing heights are very much essential on the map. Okay, so with the help of these heights, okay, so where the roads are constructed, where the dams should be constructed, and how much land will be submerged by the water of the depth. So all these things we can do. So in this way, maps are useful to showing height. So in this way, the maps are showing the heights. Okay. So this is all about the reading maps of different heights. So students, go thoroughly through the textbooks. You have to read the lesson and underline the hard words. Okay. And you have to write the notes also. Whenever the online classes are going on, take one notebook and write the important points, and that notebook also you have to revise. Okay, very soon we are conducting the online exam. So on that online exam you have to be ready. Okay, prepare well. All the best for your online exam. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.